Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to optimize Shopify store for SEO. Paying constantly for ads just to drive traffic to your Shopify store can get extremely expensive over time, but what if I told you there was a way to continually get visitors to your store for free and forever? This is called SEO, which stands for Search Engine Optimization. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you some steps that you need to take and the best practices that you need to follow so that you can fully optimize your Shopify store for SEO. So let's dive in and get started maximizing your Shopify store's SEO. So getting started, for those unfamiliar, SEO refers to the practice of optimizing your website and content to achieve high rankings in search engines like Google. So the main goal here is to get your Shopify website pages appearing as close to the top as possible in the search results whenever potential customers enter relevant keywords and phrases related to your business. So if your pages consistently rank highly in search for terms people are actively looking for, then it will drive continual free organic traffic to your store by prominently displaying it at the top of the results. So choosing the right target keywords to optimize for. Now, keywords and key phrases are the absolute foundation of any effective Shopify SEO strategy. First, you need to intentionally choose a selected set of relevant keywords and phrases that have decent search volume to focus your optimization efforts around. I recommend using Google's free keyword planner tool to research and select your keywords. This helpful tool allows you to enter a core term your customers likely search when looking for your types of products, then displays huge lists of additional long-tail keywords related to that seed keyword, along with other data such as the monthly search volume data. So for example, let's say I have a Shopify store selling skincare products for men. I would first enter a core term such as skincare for men into the keyword planner as my core focus keyword. And then after that, the tool would then return many additional specific keywords like skincare products that are vegan, for example, and so many more niche long tail variants along with their individual monthly search volumes. So what we want to do then is to identify 1 to 3 keyword phrases that also have high search volume as our primary SEO targets. And then choose another 5 to 10 decent volume secondary keywords to support the core terms and incorporate throughout your store. These provide supplemental traffic, ranking well for your selected pillar primary keywords supported by other high potential secondary terms is the key goal of SEO. So once you've researched and selected your target keywords using Google's tool, the next step is to incorporate and place them strategically throughout your Shopify store. So we can start with collection pages, which are the pages in your Shopify store that group and list products by a certain category. For example, you may have a vegan skincare products collection page. Within these collection pages, there are a few areas that we want to optimize with keywords. So at the start, in the page header field, enter your 1 to 3 word primary keywords. And then in the larger page description field, work in your primary keyword again along with 2 to 3 secondary keywords through the natural language. Down in the metadata and schema section at the bottom, include your most important 1 to 2 keywords again in the page title and description summary that search engines actually read. So by implementing keywords in these key locations that search engine bots analyze, it helps them deeply understand that this collection page is all about your core topic. In addition to collections, your individual product pages also need SEO optimization love. You'll need to follow many of the same general principles, which include using your research keywords naturally in the product title and description summary sections, work them into the longer product description field as well where it fits best, and include keywords in the image alt text which describes photos for search engine indexing since bots can't actually see the images. So a lengthy descriptive alt text helps a lot for clarity. Now another extra recommendation I would give you is that since you likely have multiple images for a given product, you'll want to make your alt text for each specific image slightly different while still using the keywords. This avoids duplicate content penalties while still keeping your images highly SEO relevant. So in addition to the content itself that you put on your Shopify store, there are some few key technical steps that we need to take to fully optimize SEO. The first one is submitting your XML sitemap to Google. Because Shopify dynamically generates your website's XML site automatically, you just need to provide Google the URL to it within Google Search Console so that they can index all of the pages. Another important thing is that your Shopify store consistently use just one URL, either with or without the www subdomain. Shopify allows you to set a preferred custom domain and easily create a proper 301 redirect from the non-preferred domain to funnel all traffic to your primary one. You can also install additional SEO apps as needed. So some apps like the SEO Manager, Booster, and Suite can audit your store and optimize technical elements like the metadata, speed, etc. And this really covers the key technical optimizations required for Shopify SEO success. Properly implementing SEO best practices does take some upfront investment, but it pays off exponentially in free targeted visitors over the long haul. Do not miss out on this huge opportunity to sustainably grow your Shopify business. Let us know if you have any other questions about the Shopify SEO in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. If you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then let us know by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can create related to this one.